guys, wanted to show you guys this other outfit. I don't know if you guys see the pants with the split on the side, and they be trending all around the internet. So guys, these is actually the wrap pants. The only thing I did, if you guys want to make them look like those pants that's trending on the internet, you just tie them down at the bottom. But theirs is actually, it's sewn down at the bottom. So you could take them and tie it down at the bottom when you wearing this outfit. If you want it to be like, these is considered like the Genie pants. So you tie them and it stays in. Or if you don't want to tie them and turn them back into the wrap pants, just untie it. And then there'll be the regular, you guys see, flared pants. But if you want them to look like the Genie pants, you simply just tie it in a knot and you'll have the Genie pants. And then when you don't want them to look like the Genie pants, you want them to be the wrap pants with the splits on the side. And I think these would be lovely for a really nice hot summer day. I love these wrap pants. They are real soothing for a nice hot sunny day. And then you can also, the top can tie up around your neck as well as hanging it down. So this is the same. If you guys follow the other pattern of the wrap pants, guys, you guys can do this as well, the Genie pants, but you just take them and tie them down at the end, and that will make them the Genie pants, guys. So okay, guys, thank you guys so much, and you guys have an awesome day, guys. Bye bye. Okay, guys, there's a collage with the DIY Genie pants. Remember, guys, just take your pants and tie them down at the bottom and you can create the Genie pants. Yes, guys, just take your pants with a slit on each side and tie it down in the knot at the bottom, and you will have your Genie pants. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.